Hello children, welcome to the EVS class. Today I am going to teach about first aid. Okay, so when we are playing in the playground or at home or in our school, so we may fall and we get injuries. Yes, Nana. So what do we do after getting injury? We stop the bleeding of blood and we wash the wound with water and we apply some antiseptic lotion, and after that we go to the hospital. Yes, Nana. So before going to the hospital, whatever the things we are doing, that is the first aid. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, అంటే మనం హాస్పిటల్ పోయే ముందు ఆ ఇంజరీ బ్లీడింగ్ స్టాప్ చేయడానికి మనం ఏమేమైతే చేస్తున్నామో దాన్ని ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా నాన్న? సో హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్? వాట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్? Whenever the accidents or injuries occur, the immediate treatment which we give to the victim. Here victim is a injured person. Okay, debba tagilina vyakti. Victim means injured person. Okay, before we take him to the hospital is called a first aid. So what is the first aid? Whenever the accidents or injuries occur, the immediate treatment which we give to the victim before we take him to the hospital is called a first aid. So in this lesson we learn the first aid for different injuries. Okay, Nana? So here first aid for wounds, first aid for nose bleeding, and first aid for sprain, first aid for dog's bite, first aid for burns, first aid for snake bite, first aid for insect sting and bite, and first aid for the snake bite. Okay, Nana? So first we learn first aid for the wounds. So whether it is a small or big, we should not neglect the wound. Wound is a wound, means it is a open. Actually our body is covered with the skin, means here the germs do not enter into our body through the skin. But if any wound is there on our body, there is a possibility of entering the germs into our body. So we must take treatment from the doctor for wounds. Okay, Nana? So what we should do? First, stop the bleeding. Stop the bleeding. Next, clean the wound with water. Clean the wound with the water. Next, apply antibiotics or wash with the antibiotic lotion or on antiseptic lotions such as Dettol. Okay. Next, cover the wound with a cloth and then you cover with a bandage. Okay, Nana? So this is the first aid for the wound. First aid for the wound to prevent the infection. To prevent the infection that are caused by the germs, we should take the treatment from the doctor. Means before going to doctor, we should give first aid for the wound. So what is that first aid? First, we should stop the bleeding, and next one, clean the wound with the soap water or water. Next, apply antiseptic lotion or some antibiotics and ointments, and next cover the wound with a clean cotton cloth and cover that with a bandage. So here, before giving a first aid, we should take some precautions. Before giving a first aid, who are giving a first aid, that person should follow some instructions. So what are the instructions? First, wash your hands. Wash your hands before giving a first aid. Before giving a first aid. So if we do the first aid with our dirty hands, the germs which are present on our dirty hands that can enter into the wounds. Okay, Nana? And next one, clean the skin around the wound. Clean the skin around the wound with small pieces of cotton cloth. With a small pieces of cotton cloth that is soaked in a antibiotic lotion, antibiotic or antiseptic lotion, that is Dettol. Okay, Nana? And cover the wound with a clean piece of cloth and cover that with a bandage. Okay, Nana? So this is the first aid for the wounds. Next one, first aid for bleeding nose. First aid for bleeding nose. So if a person is suffering with a nose bleeding, what we have to do? So first, sit on a chair. Just you bend your head little forward like this and close your nostrils of nose. Nostrils means ఈ ముక్కు రంధ్రాల్ని nostrils అంటాం. Okay, ముక్కు రంధ్రాల్ని nostrils అంటాం. Okay, Nana? So close the nostrils firmly. Firmly means hardly. కొంచెం గట్టిగా పట్టుకోవాలి. Okay, and breathe through the mouth. Breathe through the mouth. Now keep some ice pad or cool cloth, wet cloth on a nose or on a forehead. Okay, Nana? And do not blow your nose before 1 hour. Okay, Nana? After 1 hour, you clean your nose. So this is the first aid for nose bleeding. But how the blood is bleeding from the nose? How? Means the nerves which are present in the nose that breaks. The nerves which are present in the nose that breaks. So due to that, the blood comes out through the nose. Once again, I explain the first aid for nose bleeding. Listen carefully, Nana. Okay. So why it occurs? Why the nose bleeding occurs? How? Means the nerves which are present in the nose that breaks. That breaks. So due to that, అంటే ఆ నరాలు ఎప్పుడైతే చిట్లిపోతాయో ఆ ముక్కు నుంచి రంధ్రం కారడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో హౌ కెన్ వి ప్రివెంట్ ద బ్లీడింగ్ ఆఫ్ నోస్? మీన్ ఫస్ట్ sit at one place and close your nostrils with your fingers firmly, means tightly. Okay, and breathe through your mouth. Breathe through your mouth. Okay, Nana? And so when you hold your nostrils like this, just you bend your head little forward like this. Okay, children? Little forward like this. So if you bend like this, the blood through the nose enters into the mouth. So to prevent that, just you bend your head little forward. Okay, children? So next, breathe through the mouth and keep ice packs or wet cloth on nose or on a forehead. And you should not blow your nose for few hours. అంటే ఒక గంట వరకు లేకపోతే కొన్ని గంటల వరకు కూడా నువ్వు నోస్ ని చీదకూడదు. ఓకే, ముక్కు చీత్తా ఉంటాం కదా మనం, అది చేయకూడదు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ ఫర్ ద nose bleeding. Okay, Nana? And next one is the first aid for a sprain. First aid for a sprain. So while walking, we suddenly fall on the ground. Then we bend our leg. So we bend our ankle just slantly. Itla pakkaki unchinetu avutadi. Then we get pain at that place. We get pain at that place. And that causes swelling also at the infected spot. At the affected spot. ఎక్కడైతే నొప్పిగా అనిపిస్తుందో there we can see swelling. అంటే ఉబ్బినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది కదా. Means here the sprain is it caused due to the twist of ligaments where two bones meet. Okay, ligaments are at the fibrous tissue. It joins the two bones at the joints. Here two bones are there, no? So here the ligaments joins the two bones. So we get pain by twisting of these ligaments at the joints, and at that place we can see swelling also. So what we should do to reduce the swelling and to reduce the pain? బెనకడం అంటాం కదా అది ఇది. ఓకేనా నాన్న? సో స్ప్రెయిన్ మీన్స్ బెనకడం. సో కీప్ ద ice cold means cold packs, ice pack. Okay, ice cubes we can get from the refrigerators. Yes, Nana. Special boxes there in that ice cubes we can get. Okay, take that ice cubes in a cloth and tie it and you apply on a affected spot. Okay, and you can reduce the swelling and also after that you apply the Iodex. You apply the Iodex or Amrutanjan, Jendu balm like that to reduce the pain. Okay, this is the first aid for the sprain. Okay, Benakadam antam. Okay, next one is the first aid for burns. What is the next one? First aid for burns. So, burns occur when we touch hot objects. Burns occur when we touch hot objects, fire, while playing with crackers or while burning crackers, when we touch hot water and when we touch some chemicals and acids. Okay, some chemicals like acids. So by touching all this we get the burns. So burns are two types. అంటే బర్న్స్ అంటే మన బాడీ ఎప్పుడు కాలుతుంది ఎప్పుడమ్మా? సో బై టచింగ్ అంటే మంటని కానీ క్రాకర్స్ పేల్చేటప్పుడు కానీ కొన్ని కెమికల్స్ యాసిడ్స్ వాటిని టచ్ చేసినప్పుడు లేకపోతే హాట్ వాటర్ ని టచ్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి బాడీ అనేది కాలిపోతుంది. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ప్రికాషన్స్? వాట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ ఫర్ దిస్? సో బర్న్స్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్. బర్న్స్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్. వన్ ఇస్ మైనర్ బర్న్స్ అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఇస్ ద మేజర్ బర్న్స్. మైనర్ బర్న్స్ మీన్స్ స్మాల్ బర్న్ అంటే చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది, బర్నింగ్ అనేది తక్కువ బర్నింగ్ సెన్సేషన్. అండ్ మేజర్ బర్న్స్ మీన్స్ సో దట్ ఫార్మ్ ద బ్లిస్టర్స్. Okay, Nana. So here in a minor burns, what we should do? First, take ice cold water or ice cubes in a cloth and keep on the burnt part to get relief from pain. Okay, Nana. Take ice cubes. So means minor burns means we can see only red spot on the burnt part. Okay, Nana. ఎర్రగా ఒక మచ్చ మాత్రమే కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ మంట అనిపిస్తుంది. So that is the minor burn. So what we should do? Take ice cubes and apply on the red spot. Apply on the red spot. And next one, apply the antiseptic cream like Bernol. So here it is. Okay, here Bernol or Betnovit. Okay, these are the ointments we use for the minor burns. Okay, and apply a paste of baking soda with water. Okay, Nana. Do you know baking soda? We use the baking soda to prepare cakes. Okay, and some other bakery foods. Okay, Nana. So that is baking soda. We can get in a bakeries also. So that baking soda means make a paste in a water and apply on the burn part. And next one, take the person near to the doctor for the treatment. Okay, Nana. This is the ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ ఫర్ మైనర్ బర్న్స్. చిన్న ఏమంటారు వాటిని, చిన్నగా కాలిన వాటికి ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఫస్ట్ వాట్ వి షుడ్ డూ? అప్లై ఐస్ క్యూబ్స్ అండ్ అప్లై యాంటిసెప్టిక్ క్రీమ్, దట్ ఈస్ బర్నాల్ ఆర్ బెట్నోవిట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, అప్లై బేకింగ్ సోడా paste with the water. And next one, take him to the hospital. And next, severe burns. In severe burns, we can see the formation of blisters. అంటే ఏమంటారు, బొబ్బలు వచ్చేస్తాయి కదా, కాలి ఇట్లా నీరు ఫామ్ అయినట్టు ఇట్లా బొబ్బలు వచ్చేస్తాయి కదా నాన్న. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద బ్లిస్టర్. ఓకే నాన్న. సో డోంట్ ప్రిక్ ద బ్లిస్టర్. We should not prick the blister. If you prick the blister, that form as a open wound. That form as a open wound. Open wound is a choice to enter the germs into our body. Open wound, through open wounds, the germs enter into our body, or the dirty hair, okay, and that dirty hair and that infects the wounds. Okay, Nana. So cover the wound, cover the blisters with a piece of clean cotton cloth or sterilized gauze. Okay, sterilized gaze means this one. Okay, so this is sterilized gaze. Okay children, so this one. So in our school we have this. Okay, sterilized gaze. What is it? Sterilized gaze. Okay, so cover the burnt area with a clean cotton piece of cloth. Okay, and sterilized gaze to prevent the entering of germs and to prevent the infection. And if the victim is in shock, అంటే షాక్ లో ఉండి ఎలానో చేస్తున్నాడు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? We should give plenty of warm liquids to drink. కొంచెం వేడిగా ఉన్నటువంటి లిక్విడ్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, అప్లై a solution of baking soda, okay, in water and using a sterilized cotton pad. Means take a cotton, dip in a baking soda with water and apply on the burnt part. And after that, you take that person to the hospital for the further treatments. Okay, Nana? So this is the first aid for the severe burns. Okay. Next one, first aid is given to a victim who was bitten by dog. So we can see so many dogs in our streets. Some dogs, they don't bite, but some dogs bite us. Some dogs do not bite, some dogs bite us. Okay, it is very dangerous. The dog's bite is very dangerous, and this dog's bite cause disease also, that is named as a rabies. Okay, that is named as a rabies. So what is the first aid to the dog's bite? So place a clean cotton cloth or a towel on the dog's bite injury site to stop the bleeding. After dog's bite, blood comes out from the wound, from that injury. So first, by using a clean cotton cloth, stop the bleeding and wash the bitten area with soap water. Wash the injured area with a soap water. Cover the wound with a sterilized bandage. And next, you keep the injured part somewhere high, little high. Okay, Nana? So next, you take the person to the hospital to take the anti-rabies injection. Rabies అనేది తెలుసు కదా? So it is very dangerous. So if any person bitten by a dog, so that person get rabies. So every month they take the injections. That injections are called as the anti-rabies injections. అంటే యాంటీ అంటే రేబీస్ రాకుండా ఆపేటటువంటి ఇంజెక్షన్స్. యాంటీ అంటే వ్యతిరేకం. ఓకేనా నాన్న? So this is the first aid for the dog's bite. Next, first aid given to the victim. First aid for insect bite. So what is the first aid for the insect bite? So some members, they have experience. So what is that experience? Some may have bitten by honeybees or wasp. Kandarigal telusu kada? That. So first, we should wash the wound with clean water. Immediately, we should wash the wound with clean water and pull the insect stings. అంటే కొండీలు అంటాం కదా, ముందుకు ఇలా ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటితో కదా మనల్ని కుడతాయి కొండీలు. దట్ స్టింగ్ మీన్స్ కొండీలు. ఓకేనా నాన్న? సో పుల్ అవుట్ ద స్టింగ్స్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్సెప్స్. So forceps we can see mostly in a way beauty parlors. So like this, it is like this, okay, like this. So they prick like this, like this, like this. So that is called forceps. That is called forceps. So with the help of forceps, we should remove the stings of the insect. Then apply antiseptic ointment. After applying antiseptic ointment, take him to the hospital for the